home is perfect if you want to have a couple of horses. Private country property just minutes from the city. Great country home with covered porch and trees, in-ground pool and hot tub, 2-car carport, large detached 2-car garage, horse stable installs tack room, riding arena, and the property goes to middle of Brushy Creek. Yes, you can expect to see deer, turkey and more wildlife here. This is a rare find.